Hi lovelies, thank you for dropping into my channel. I have some more fitness little inspiration for you guys. I'm trying to get better at actually filming myself in the gym again. So I did a little chest and tries for today's motivation, and I tried something new. I tried doing some drop sets. If you don't know what that means, don't worry. I had no clue either. But let me just tell you, oh my gosh, like your arms or whatever body part that you're working and you're doing a drop set on, holy shit, are you going to be sore? But it's gonna feel good. It's like a good pain. So anyways, a drop set is basically starting out at the heaviest weight that you can. So I think today my heaviest thing that I was able to do for my chest was a 20. So you start out with the highest amount of weight that you can, and you do like 6 to 8 reps. That's all I was able to get in, and then you drop it down. So then like if I started with 20, I dropped it down to a 15, and then I banged out as many reps as I could from there. And then again, I dropped it down one more time to like a 10 or a 12 and a half, and I banged out as much as I could. Those last final few reps that you get in, especially at that lightest weight, oh my gosh, your muscles are on fire, but it's that like good push through pain, because it's like, I'm gonna do this. But it's just like, that's what really matters, is when you get that blood pump into those muscles to really help get that muscle pump, you know? It's just like all the blood flows getting sent there to like replenish it, because it's like my muscle is tired and fatigued and feels like it's ripping, but it's a good thing, because that's how you get that swollenness that we all are working for. I hope you guys enjoy my little chest and try workout routine that I did. Definitely give a drop set a try, because, oh my gosh, I did not know what I was missing, and I am demolished right now, although I feel super good. you guys enjoyed this little fitness inspiration and motivation to help get your workout routine back in gear and to get your booty in the gym working on that fitness. It's just an accomplished feeling when you actually get yourself over there and like you push yourself to your max. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels good. If you did enjoy this fitness routine, please give it a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also while you're at it, you might as well hit that bell that's down below because that will keep you notified every single time I upload a video. If you're looking for some more style, beauty, fitness inspiration from me, go ahead and check the videos out right there on the side. And until next time, I'll see you later, lovelies.